You're building in your hand. Everything can be controlled from the tablet in your hand. This is a luxury parlor. Everything in this sitting room can be controlled from a tab. For instance, I can decide to turn off the parlor lights. You see most of the light going off. Turn off the parlor lights. Yeah, the lights are going off. This is done by Ujax engineering. Everything was controlled from here, just from the tab. Okay, Toby, turn on the parlor light. See the light coming on. The lights are coming on.
The camera outside.
See the lights are coming on. Toby, control the curtains. Let's say from curtain 1 to curtain 2. Let's say control curtain 1. Open curtain 1, Toby. See curtain 1 opening. Okay, control curtain 2.